AI in manufacturing environments explained. Manufacturing is changing fast across modern industrial environments, all thanks to artificial intelligence, or AI. In manufacturing, AI collects data from machines, sensors, and systems to understand what's happening in real time. AI constantly monitors equipment performance, spotting small issues early before they turn into costly breakdowns or failures. This approach is called predictive maintenance. It helps reduce downtime, lowers repair costs, and extends the lifespan of critical equipment. AI also improves production by reducing waste, saving energy, improving quality, and keeping operations running smoothly. With clear insights from AI, teams can make faster decisions, improve safety, and respond quickly to changes on the factory floor. Global Electronic Services helps manufacturers support advanced systems, keeping equipment reliable, efficient, and ready for the future of smart manufacturing every day across demanding industrial environments.